What's up YouTube? It's Jason here from RedBeeLabs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel and want to see more content like this, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. Okay guys, it is the unboxing of the Pixel 4a. So I got the 128 gig version. It comes in just black, and this one is equipped with a 5.8 inch OLED screen. I love the OLED screens. It comes with a 12.2 megapixel camera, which seems small, but I mean, these Pixel cameras are amazing. So as it says on the other side of the box, you know, go Team Pixel. So it looks like there's a little accent on the power button, which is pretty cool. Guys, let's go ahead and open it up. I have my unboxing knife, but I don't need to use it because, of course, Google's making it easy. So, okay, so let's just slide it on out of there. Boom! Look at this. This is beautiful. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna pull her out. I'm gonna put the phone to the side over here. Right there, I'm gonna open her up. All right, you just get the documentation. We're not even gonna pretend to look through all this, so we're just gonna put her over to the side. You get your USB-C to USB-C cable, so that's pretty nice, always USB-C. This is your switch adapter, so I can get it out of here. It basically helps you switch from your other phone over to this phone. You just plug it into the other phone, and it transfers your data for you. And this is the 18-watt fast charger. So, cool. Put that there. Move this box over here. Now, listen to it. I guess it wasn't too much, but. So, as I said, you get your USB-C port right here. I think these are your speakers. This might just be a mic, but your stereo speakers. You get your power button right here, which is, it's like a mint color. It's kind of like a little accent mint color, which I like. Your volume rockers right here. On the other side, you just have your SIM ejection, your SIM tray. On the top, a lot of people are gonna love this. It has your headphone jack. People are gonna love that, and another mic, and the fingerprint scanner. A lot of people like it on the back. You know, I don't know. I don't really care for the in-screen display ones. I don't understand. It's weird. I just I'd rather them on the button or on the back. So, all right, guys, I'm going to turn this on, and we'll go through the entire setup process. So here we go with the first boot up. Nice Google. Get your nice little Google logo and your nice animation. Powered by Android. I'm kind of excited to use this phone. I mean, just for the camera alone. I mean, people are just raving about this camera. So I'm gonna have plenty of pictures just popping up for you guys. And I'm also gonna do the full review, so that of course I'll have plenty of photos, and I'll take some video, and I'll even try to get some constellations and some stars for you guys. I just love these little animations. Okay, so hi there. Yes, we're gonna do English and start. It's looking for my Wi-Fi. So let me go ahead and put that in, guys. And okay, we're connecting to Wi-Fi, and it's getting the IP address, and here we go. Just checking for some updates, making sure we're all good to go. Can't wait to test out Android 11. It's gonna be pretty cool. Okay guys, we get to copy your apps and data, and I don't want to do that. I'll probably do it later. I'll do a setup again later, but for right now, we're gonna just do don't copy. All right, checking our info and getting us ready. We're just gonna go ahead and skip this. Skip that. Just excited to get into the phone and see what's going on. So more, accept again. I will skip that for right now. And okay. And just adding the finishing touches. And now they're showing us the different gestures. So go home, you swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Okay, to switch between apps, you swipe up from the bottom of the screen, hold and release. Go back to the last screen, you swipe towards the middle from the left or the right edge. And then of course, a beautiful, wonderful assistant. You want to swipe from either bottom corner of the screen and you can talk to the wonderful assistant. You guys, I love the Google Assistant. Okay, we're all set. Swipe up to get started. Boom. Very, very nice. Welcome to your Pixel. I love the Pixel launcher. It looks so nice. Slide up. See all your apps. Very nice. Very nice. No, thank you on that. Let's see. Go back. Whew. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and play around with this for a little bit, and I'm gonna soon give you all of my wonderful thoughts and opinions on this phone. Like I said, I'm really excited. I want to go out and take some pictures. Most of you know, if you're following my channel, I've got the Surface Duo, and that camera is pretty trash. So it'd be nice to have a camera to go around with and be able to take some good pictures. So that's it for me, guys. If you found value in this video, smash that like button and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.